So we have a question from trigonometry here, and here we also, there is a complicated looking expression. So first, to simplify it a bit, let's replace 11x by 2 by a and 6x by b. So obviously a and b are related, but just to simplify the calculation for a bit, I am replacing them by a and b. We get sine a into sine b minus cos b plus cos a to sine b plus cos. Thus we have sine a, sine b, and when we have sine a, sine b, we look for cos a, cos b, because this gives us a nice identity. And we do have a cos a, cos b term from here, so let's pair them up. Then we are left with minus sine a cos b and plus cos a sine b, which works out nice because this also is an identity. So by this we get cos b minus a, and this becomes sine b minus a. And we already have values of b and a, which gives us b minus a as x by 2. We also have value of cot x. This gives us the value of cos x is so 1 plus cot square x equals to cosec square x, which is equals to 1 plus 25 by 11, 36 by 11, which means sin x is equals to 6 by root 11, root 11 by 6. And sin x is indeed positive. We take the positive sign because x is between pi by 2 and pi. So cos x will be negative 5 by 6. We are required to find values of cos x by 2 and sin x by 2. So we'll use this because we know cos x equals to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, which is minus 5 by 6. This gives us cos square x by 2 equals to 1 minus 5 by 6.2, which is 1 by 12. X by 2 is in pi by 4 to pi by 2. This gives us cos x is positive and is indeed equal to 1 by root 12. In fact, equal to 1 by root 12. Which gives us sin x, x by 2 equals to root 11 by root 12. So sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 is root 11 plus 1 by root 12. So answer is B, because root 12 is equals to root 4 into 3 equals to 2 root 3. So